Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is May 16th, 2025, and we're diving into Virgin Galactic's first quarter 2025 financial results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Virgin Galactic has been making headlines with its ambitious plans for commercial spaceflight, and this report gives us a glimpse into their progress and financial health.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Virgin Galactic reported a revenue of $0.5 million for Q1 2025, a significant drop from $2 million in the same quarter last year. John, what does this tell us about their current operations?
Well, the decrease in revenue is primarily due to the pause in commercial space flights as they focus on developing their Delta-class spaceships. Despite the lower revenue, their net loss improved to $84 million from $102 million last year, thanks to reduced operating expenses.
And how does their cash position look?
Virgin Galactic maintains a strong cash position with $567 million in cash, cash equivalents, and marketable securities. This is crucial as they continue to invest in their spaceflight capabilities.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $2.23, but the actual EPS came in at $2.38. John, what can we infer from this discrepancy?
The actual EPS being slightly lower than the forecast indicates that Virgin Galactic's financial performance was a bit weaker than expected. However, with only one analyst providing estimates, the forecast range is quite narrow, and small deviations can occur.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Virgin Galactic has managed to reduce its operating expenses from $113 million to $89 million. How significant is this in terms of their operational efficiency?
This reduction is quite significant as it reflects their efforts to streamline operations and focus on core development activities. Their adjusted EBITDA also improved to $72 million from $87 million, showing better cost management.
Looking ahead, what are some key milestones for Virgin Galactic?
They're planning to open future astronaut sales in Q1 2026 and aim for their first commercial spaceflight in summer 2026. These milestones are critical for transitioning from a pre-revenue phase to a revenue-generating business model.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. CEO Michael Colglazier mentioned the strong progress in building new spaceships. How does this align with their strategic initiatives?
Colglazier emphasized that the assets being developed are expected to open up a powerful and profitable business model. Their focus on an industry-leading cost structure and customer experience is central to their strategy.
And what about their plans for expansion?
They're midway through a feasibility study for a second spaceport in Italy, which could significantly enhance their operational capacity and market reach.
Key takeaways. In summary, Virgin Galactic is making strides in its spaceflight development despite the current financial challenges. Their strong cash position and strategic focus on future spaceflights are promising.
Absolutely. While the financials show a company in its investment phase, the long-term prospects hinge on successful commercial launches and market expansion.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Virgin Galactic's performance in the comments below.